I'm Nana Linda.
And I'm Faith.
This is granddaughter Faith. And how old are you?
I'm 9.
9, and you're going to be 10 very soon, aren't you?
December.
Yeah, pretty soon. You're getting up so big. So what are we going to make today?
Oatmeal cupcakes.
Yeah.
Oatmeal breakfast cups.
And
my papaw can eat it.
Yeah, and he loves them, doesn't he? So should we get started? So what we're doing right now is we are chopping up a couple of apples. Alright. First thing we need is 4 cups of old-fashioned oats. So let's put that in the bowl first. 4 cups of old-fashioned oats.
Cereal?
So next thing we need is not this, but we need 1 of each of these in here, of that. Level that down a little bit, that's too much. Level it down.
I really like cinnamon.
Yeah, so does papaw. Oh, that's too much.
You want to sprinkle it all over?
Yeah, we're going to mix it all in there really nicely, won't we? Right?
You want to make sure all that cinnamon gets in there.
Okay, so you still need the 1 teaspoon. And you need a 1 teaspoon of this. And this is a teaspoon of baking powder.
Baking powder.
Powder, yes. So do you have a half a teaspoon there?
Half a teaspoon.
Of salt.
This size.
Half a teaspoon of salt, right?
So it'll say 1/2.
Yeah.
Mine's yellow.
Good job.
Yours might not be. It might be a boring color. Mine's yellow.
A happy color, right?
Not this boring color.
So you want unsweetened almond milk.
2.5.
Well, we need one of that. So 2 of these and 1 of that. Do you want me to pour or you want to pour?
You. This is 1 cup.
Okay.
And now I'll do the rest.
Give us 2.5 cups, right? Yay. Good job. Now you need a 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. We're using light brown sugar. The blue one. You need,
Blue.
so we're using vanilla. So
Vanilla.
2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 2 of those.
Which is smell.
Smells good, doesn't it?
1. Dose.
1/3 cup of pure maple syrup.
Which would
The
look,
good stuff. Yeah.
Which would look like this in the store. Still the same.
Not quite.
Then you want to take your Whopper jigger and scoop all of that syrup out.
So now we've got, it's 2 apples we've chopped up, but about 1 cup, or we chopped up 2 apples. It's a little bit more than a cup, but you want about that. You want to add those?
Yeah.
Now we're going to stir it up. It's going to be very liquidy, right? It's actually extremely liquidy.
It should almost look like this. Make sure you mix all of the ingredients.
Yeah, moves it up very, very well. Get a muffin tray. This is 12. Turn y'all down a little more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Yep.
9, 10.
And we
11,
have
12. You want to spray butter it with canola oil.
Well, this,
Hold on,
is
Nana.
butter flavor. What?
That's butter flavor, not
Yeah.
canola oil.
No, butter flavor is good. It'll make it taste buttery. So we've added some non-stick spray. So the trick with this now is that you want to get a 1/4 cup, but you also want, there's a lot of, oh my gosh, I don't know if I can do this. There is a lot of liquid. You got that there? There is a lot of liquid down in there. And we've got to get that liquid in here with the muffins. It keeps them from being too dry.
And too yucky.
Yeah, so when you scoop it out, you want to scoop out a 1/4 cup, and that fits perfect in here with liquid. Just like that. Woo! That one was easy. Can you do it now? First one's always the easiest, I think. Don't you?
You don't want too much liquid because you want to save some.
That's right, because you want liquid in each and every cup, right? works better. And this you can use to just kind of
Even it.
Yeah, even it out down in there.
Now you can go around making sure all of them have the right amount.
Yep. Here, do you want to use this so you don't get all sticky?
No.
Hey, you could add all that in there. You could add the whole thing in there. So this one could use a little more.
Mm-hmm.
So.
So much easier. Are we going to use this cup again?
I don't think so. Are you wanting to lick the cup?
Yeah.
I think you are good to lick the cup. There. So it really does make 12, like perfect.
Mm-hmm.
So do you know what's next?
Yes, I do.
So now, we're gonna bake them for 20 minutes at 375, in a preheated oven at 375.
And before we started the video, we already preheated our oven. So it's already heated.
Yep. And we're gonna bake them for how long? 20 minutes?
30, yeah, 20.
20 minutes? Okay. All right. We're gonna put them in the oven and come back in 20 minutes.
Are all oven mitts like this?
Yeah. They're all for one hand. Isn't that crazy?
Well, it's kind of annoying.
Uh-huh.
I mean, it needs to be the decorated side on the same side. I got it.
Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me.
Rubber.
You can set them down. Let's get this oven closed up. No, set them on the hot pad. Yep, right there. Good job. Let's close this oven up. It's on there.
Okay, they're not touching.
No.
So we have just finished our oatmeal breakfast cups, and we have set out the table over there. They are cooled off, and they're really good.
Now, let's see if they're ready to come out, shall we? So,
You may want to use your oven mitts or something. I am using my super cute ones.
they are super cute.
You might just use one. Your right hand is the one you want to get it out with. Your other one is the one you hold the pan with. So you don't have to like go like that. You can easily just go like that, push up. Don't want those falling apart.
Good job, Faith.
I am gonna give everyone a muffin. Thank you.
Oh, that's beautiful with some blueberries.
I am.
Here, let me set this over here anyway. All right, so are you going to pour tea or do you want me to?
I will.
Okay. Good job. Oh,
Oh.
he says that's enough.
I heard that.
Good job, Faith. Oh my goodness. All right. Faith, put some sugar in it. All right, y'all.
Let's try the muffins.
Yes. These muffins are they're great for breakfast. But oh my gosh.
Anytime snack. After school, anything. Yep. They're good.
Oh my gosh.
Probably needs a tad bit more cinnamon, but that's an optional.
You think more cinnamon? It would be good.
I love cinnamon.
Or you know what else? If you added nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg's really good with cinnamon.
You
Is it
said
haunted?
no. You said nutmeg, and it's going nuts.
Oh.
And it sounds like a squirrel. It's going nuts when you said nutmeg.
You know, too bad your papaw's not here, right?
Why?
To try these.
He loves them.
These are Papaw's favorite. Well, a little interesting story too is Faith actually makes these every time we're home for her Papaw to take on the road for the first week we're gone, because they're very heart healthy, right? So they're gluten-free, dairy-free, cholesterol-free.
And yucky free.
And yucky-free.
Leave your thoughts in the box below. If you could subscribe, just see how you like them when you make them.
You did such a good job on doing that. You are just a natural. Oh, that tea is delicious too. And you made the tea too, didn't you?
I did.
That tea is delicious. Do you like the tea? Not this one? Alright, y'all.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Visit again soon.
That's all we got for today. No Paul today. No truck driver Paul at all. No papaw Paul.
He's with my mom.
He's out having some one-on-one daughter time.
If you go up here, you can go to my cousin B's lemonade video.
Good job. Alright, y'all.
And if you go right down there, you can subscribe.
Yes, and leave Faith some comments and let her know what you think of the recipe. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.